Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our new unit, that is unit number 3. It is about transport system in plants and animals. In English, you know the word transport means to take anything, any person from one place to another. So transport system in plants and animals means how the different nutrients, different gases and different waste materials transported from one part of the body to another part of the body. You can see in your books, page number 20, they have first discussed about circulatory system. So circulatory system is all about that how your blood is transported throughout your body. So circulatory system is divided into these organs. You know that you have heard about heart. It is a pumping organ. It is a muscular organ. You have also a network of tube-like things in your body. These are called as blood vessels. Yes, arteries, capillaries, and veins. These are blood vessels that are tube-like structures. First, we will discuss arteries. Arteries are those blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. So, heart gives the blood to the arteries, and these arteries take the blood away from the heart and they take the blood to other parts of the body. These arteries have thick wall because they have to withstand the high pressure of the blood. Then these arteries divide into small thin walled vessels called as capillaries. Capillaries penetrate into all tissues of the body. They are very tiny, they are very small, they are very thin walled, so they can easily penetrate into all tissues of the body. Now they transfer the food, gases, and all the exchange of materials take place among these capillaries. These capillaries and thin capillaries again join up to form the larger blood vessels called as veins. What these veins do? These veins will return the blood again to the heart. So that's how the circulatory system works. There is a heart that arteries take the blood away from the heart, then they give the blood to the tiny, small, thin walled capillaries, and these capillaries can penetrate into the tissues where exchange of materials, exchange of gases, exchange of nutrients take place. Then these all capillaries join together to form veins. Now these veins are those blood vessels that take the blood to the heart and they will return the blood to the heart, and that's how this process keeps on. Now, so this process keeps on going. So the blood will enter from the heart into the arteries, then to the capillaries that will penetrate into the tissues, and there the exchange of gases and nutrients will take place. Then these capillaries join up to form veins. That veins will return the blood again to the heart, and this cycle goes on and on. This is about your circulatory system. In other lecture, we will discuss how this heart actually pumps, because all the circulatory system is depending upon the pumping of the heart. So how the heart pumps, we will discuss it in other lecture, inshallah. Thank you so much.